guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and today we are making a cute Easter bunny Easter basket centerpiece. That's kind of hard to say, but basically we're just turning a unfinished wood basket into a really cute little bunny shaped Easter basket that can be used just kind of for home decor for the holiday or on the table as a centerpiece. I've got a couple items, some carrots and eggs and the fluffy stuff you put inside them, so I'm thinking it's going to turn out really cute. I hope you agree. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, consider subscribing, let me know what you think down in the comments. If you'd like to make your own bunny basket, I will link everything you need down in the description along with my socials as always, and let's get into it.
So start with just something down to catch the paint, and then your little basket just like this. Isn't it cute? It's like a little egg-shaped wooden basket. I got this at Target. You can probably pick it up just about anywhere. So this one is probably about 6 inches long by about 4 inches across. And it's just a really cute little raw wood egg-shaped basket. But it's natural wood and I want to paint it white, so I'm just going to go in with some white acrylic paint.
So nothing too special about this technique. I just have a larger brush, like 2 inches, to help me cover some surface area. And I'm painting the basket white. This took about 2 coats because even though it's a lighter wood, you can still kind of see it through 1 coat of paint. So I'm just painting it on, letting it dry, and then painting it again. And I'm going to be sure to get both the outside and the inside as well as the bottom of the basket. And then since there's little slatted bars on each side, I'm making sure to go in between all of those little bars just because little bits of raw wood peeking out randomly when I look at it will actually really bug me. So I'm making sure just to paint absolutely everything white, letting it dry, and then painting it with a second coat until I just have a perfectly white, kind of smooth basket. Okay, so our basket is dry. Isn't it cute? It's just like a little white egg basket, but not for long. It's going to be a bunny basket. So in order to make it more bunny-esque, I have this, which is like, I guess, a costume piece for small kids. It's like a little bunny eye mask, and then a tail that just pins on. And then I got these colorful googly eyes, and I love this. It's such a bad pun. It says, perfect for eye-catching creations. I mean, it's a really bad pun, but it's also like so good. I love it. So I'm gonna open these, and I think I want blue eyes. I'm not sure. There's different sizes. There's like a tiny one and a big one, and I want 2 of the same size, but I'm not sure if I want big or little. But yeah, just open these, get your little bunny. You could also just do like ears. You can make it out of paper. You can make it out of furry foam. Little bunny tail and some hot glue, and that's what's up next. Okay, so here is the bunny tail and the bunny mask. It comes with a little elastic thing. I guess it's for like really small kids because like the face is very, very tiny. But basically just cut off the elastic. And then for the eyes, I have 2 different sizes. I have large and medium, I guess. So basically I'm just gonna hold it up in the back. I'm going to be gluing the eyes in the back, and that's kind of what it looks like. Oh, I actually like that. I thought I would like the medium ones, but we will see. Next up is the medium for reference. Oh, I might like that better. Decisions. So yeah, just figure out what size eyes you want on your bunny mask, and then we're going to get started making this a hoppin' Easter basket. So get your little basket up in front of you and your mask. I have decided to go with the medium size eyes. I think those will just be the cutest. So I'm going to pop a little bit of hot glue just around the edges of the eyes on the top and bottom so that they will stick to the mask. And just put them right in the back in the little eye area, just like that, so that they show through. Super cute, right? Just gives it a little bit something extra, a little bit of personality behind the eyes. Turns it from a mask into a bunny face. So I'm gonna do the same with the other one. Just a little bit of hot glue top and bottom. The bigger ones actually fit the eye holes better, but I like the way the medium ones look. So we're going with that. Now we have a bunny face. How cute is that? His little whiskers are going crazy. Super cute. So now what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of hot glue on the bunny mask itself so that we can get it attached to our egg basket. So just kind of a little T-zone of hot glue, and he's gonna go right. See if I can line this up well. Not looking at it. I'm gonna use the camera finder to line this up. Just like that, so the bunny ears are sticking over the top. Super cute. That's adorable, I love that. We're gonna spin them around because every bunny needs a tail. Lots of hot glue because it's a big fluffy tail ball. And that's gonna go right down there like that. Hold it till it's dry. Already very cute, but we're gonna fill it. For our filling, I'm gonna start with this yellow crinkle paper. You can get this at the store basically anywhere around Easter time. I think I paid a whole $1 for a bag of mine. And it just kind of fills up the space. Lovely, looks a little bit like hay and kind of fluffs out the body of the rabbit. I'm not doing candy in mine because I want mine to be like more of a decor basket, but you can definitely fill this with candy. It'd be so cute. Next up, I have these little egg ornaments, and I think you're supposed to like paint them and color them, but I think they're so cute white, so I'm just leaving them white. They're just like little quail eggs almost. They're so cute and so small. So 6 of them come in the little basket here, and oh, that actually worked. I was gonna say cut off the ribbon, but these just ripped right out. So these are done, and the other 3, maybe I don't even have to cut the strings off. Maybe I can just rip them out. Yeah, just rip the strings out. Don't even bother cutting. Save a step. Perfect. So I'm going to be putting eggs in my little basket because what's an Easter basket without eggs? Just kind of tuck those in there so they're sitting in a little kind of nest. I'm putting the holes down so you can't tell I ripped the string out. So cute. And then I also found, are you not going to stay? Man down. Come back. Where'd you go? Okay. There you go. You stay in there. Also found these cute little rustic looking carrots, and they came in a bunch of 3, but I am untying them and breaking apart the thing at the end. But look at these. Aren't they cute? They're like little colored burlap carrots. These are awesome. I got these at Target. They were like, the whole bunch was like $3, and they're in the impulse section if you want to find your own. But it's a bunny, it needs carrots, so I'm gonna tuck these in as well and just give it a little bit of fun, cheeky personality. I kind of want them to stick out. I'm gonna have to do a better job of sticking the eggs in there. There we go. So sticking out like a little produce basket of eggs and carrots, and it's a bunny. So cute. Line these all up on this side, just like that. Some of the hay over, there we go. So cute. All right, you guys, big reveal time for our Hoppin' Easter Bunny basket. Ta-da! Isn't it cute? Look how much personality those googly eyes give it. I love it. He's got his fluffy bunny tail because he's not a bunny without one. And look at these adorable little rustic carrots. He's bringing them along for a snack, as well as the Easter eggs to deliver, because what's an Easter bunny without dropping off some Easter eggs? You can decorate these however you want. You can paint them, you can put in real eggs, you can do the candy-filled plastic eggs. Personally, I'm not gonna do that because I don't need anything else tempting me to eat it. And I'm not gonna do real eggs because this is gonna be my decor piece that is up for a while and I will forget to clear that out. So that's not gonna happen. We're gonna use fake. But yeah, little Easter bunny craft that is so cute and super easy and very budget friendly. So I hope you like it. If you did, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. If you want to see more craft tutorial, DIY, other general excursions and nonsense from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to see you here again. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye for now.